Vertex form of quadratic functions y equals ax minus h squared plus k, where h is the opposite sign in the equation. The vertex is h comma k. The parabola opens up if a is positive or the number in front of the parentheses is positive, and it looks like a smiley face. Remember, it opens up like this. And then if your a is negative, then your parabola opens down and it looks like a sad face. Alright, in case you missed class, here's some example you can look over. Okay, again, the vertex form is this. The vertex is hk, and h is the opposite sign. Okay, it has the opposite sign in the equation. So let's take a look at problem number 1. Which function graph has a vertex at 3, 5 and contains a point 5, 13? So every time I see that one, I'm going to underline the keyword vertex, label h, label k. So here I have h is 3 and k is 5, and contains the point. So every time I see point, I label x and y. Alright, so like I said right here, h is the opposite in the equation. So here I have h is positive 3. In the equation, it will look like negative 3. So I have x minus 3, like that. Okay, so I'm going to look at the equation, then I can cross out a, because this one have x plus 3, which is not correct. Okay, and then I can cross out d. Okay, x plus 3. So between b and c, we're going to graph each of them. And then we're going to trace to see if any of these two equations on the graph, they have the same points, 5, 13. Okay, so graph each equation. To trace, we use in menu 5.1. And I'm going to plug in the value of 5 right here. And then enter and see if they matches. Okay. Okay, so this is the graph of b. Y equals 110 over 1 over 10, and then x minus 3 squared plus 5. So now we're going to press menu 5.1 so we can trace for it. Okay, the point I want to trace is not the vertex, but I want to trace for 5, 13. So what you do, you're going to plug in the x value, okay, which is 5. So watch what happens when I press 5. It's going to show you x equals 5 right here. And then if you press enter, they're going to show you the point at the bottom. So B, I have the point is 5, then 5.4, which is not the same as 5.13. So B is also wrong. Our correct answer is C. So we do the same thing. You're going to graph this one in the calculator. And then you hit menu 5.1. You're going to enter 5. And then they're going to show you the point, which is 5.13. Alright, let's look at another example, number 3. Which function has a vertex as 5, 3 and contains a point 4, 2? So go ahead and label the vertex h, k, the point is x and y. Okay, like I said, the vertex have the h change it in the equation. So this positive 5 is going to be a minus 5, x minus 5 in the equation. Because we have right here x minus h. Okay, so let's take a look. I can cross out a, because this one have x plus 5. This one could be. I can go ahead and cross out c also, because this one also have x plus 5. D is could be b or d. Okay, so we're going to do the second step, which is checking for the point. Remember, we need to grab each equation. Hit menu 5.1. This time, beside menu 5.1, I'm going to put in x equals 4. So let's take a look at B. So this is the graph of B, equation for B. If I press menu 5.1 and I want to check for the point 4, 2, I'm going to press number 4, hit enter. So at the bottom they say 4, 4. So on B, you only have 0.44, which is not the same as 42. Okay, the point is 44, which is not correct. So I don't choose B. I'm going to circle D.